How to change your future fundamentally. Well, this insight will improve your life drastically. Do you want your future to be different than your life today? And do you want to feel more fulfilled, more passionate and happy than you feel today? And do you want to know how to change your future, not only on the surface, but fundamentally? Then this video is for you. Welcome to this video. I am Tom Nuyens from the alifeacademy.com. And I used to feel unworthy, unfulfilled, empty, lonely, and numb after having been brought up in a sometimes unsafe and abusive environment, after having been laughed at, and after having survived a life-threatening disease. And when I got my second chance of living, I wanted to change my future. I didn't want to feel that way anymore. Now, first I tried to hide my insecurities of having been very, very skinny underneath layers and layers of clothing. But when I got unmasked, I learned to build a muscular body and even created world success. And now you could think, Tom, great for you, you did change your future fundamentally. But nothing is further from the truth. Underneath my muscular body and my successful mask of world success, I still felt unworthy, unfulfilled, numb, lonely. Only now there was a successful mask painted over me. Now, I don't want your future to be only different from now by a superficial paint of pretending. I want your future to be fundamentally improved from the very inside out. I want you to feel independently fulfilled in the future if you feel unfulfilled and empty now. I want you to feel fulfilled, loved, and connected even when you are all alone in the future, if you are feeling lonely now. I want you to feel a vibrant passion in the future if you feel numb now. Now, finding those desired feelings by trying to create them outside of ourselves, by hunting for the right partner, the right career, the successes outside of ourselves, or by positive thinking techniques, will only postpone the discovery of our desired feelings which are within ourselves. Feelings can only be found within ourselves. So why don't we skip the detour of the outer hunt and go and find our desired feelings straight away? Because once we have discovered our desired and independent feelings inside of ourselves, we'll also discover who we truly are at the core and what our authentic passion really is. And from that reconnected state, the success, the partner, the career will flow over naturally and effortlessly. Now, there's a famous quote from Nelson Mandela that says, "There is no passion to be found playing small in settling for a life that is less than the one that we are capable of living." To avoid the misinterpretation, passion can only be found within ourselves if we are willing to discover ourselves past all of our unsolved issues. And when our passion is found, we will be unstoppable naturally, and we won't play small, and we won't settle for a life less than the one that we are capable of living. Now, having survived a life-threatening disease made me aware of the end of our lives. But that awareness is extremely powerful. It makes us aware that we don't want to play small, or that we don't want to settle for a life that is less than the one that we are capable of living. The awareness gave me the fuel to go and discover myself past all of my unsolved issues, and eventually my courage and my patience became richly rewarded. I eventually did change my life fundamentally because I did find the feeling of independent fulfillment inside of myself as a natural state once I had flushed out all of my unsolved issues. Now, think about your future self, lying in your bed many years from now. Wouldn't you want to trade all those years until now to go and discover your untouched and independently fulfilled state, past all of your unsolved issues, from which you will flow over into natural and effortless success on any chosen field? You have already everything within you. I know that you know that. Now, Netflix, our phone, or any other distraction or success hunt outside of ourselves won't let us experience it. The sooner you discover it for yourself, the longer you can enjoy experiencing every bit of it. Now, click here if you are ready to break free and enjoy the 4 free videos that are designed to take away all the obstacles to continue the journey until you will experience it for yourself. Now, enjoy the greatest journey towards you.